Good evening everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gemma Faye. Today I'm making a bread using my bread machine that is made of coconut bukayo recipe. So I will link the description below with all the ingredients and thing. So I made this one ahead. See, it's a coconut. I made water and brown sugar, and this is how it look right now. The rest still in the oven. I'll show you. It's right there. So this is how they come out, like this. All right, so I will link the description below, the recipe of this bread. Okay, thank you so much. Subscribe. Bye.